Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys an update on Geritol. I really wanted to make this video because I had a lot of questions that went unanswered in my previous video that I posted last week. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. Geritol is basically just a multivitamin if you're new here, and it helps me to grow out my hair. So the number one question that I received was where to get it, and I always put the link to where to purchase whatever it is I'm talking about in whatever video that I make in the description box. So I was getting like a lot of where to get it questions, and I was like, let me go check the link in my description box. So y'all, when I went to go check the link, it literally said unavailable. So I was like, okay, well, maybe it's sold out. So I went and Googled it on Amazon because that's where I purchased my Geritol from. And I saw people on there trying to sell it for like 40 something dollars, 50 something dollars, even up to like 100 and like 20 something dollars for a bottle. And I was floored. Like, a bottle of Geritol is literally only $6. So anything above $10 is like a scam to me. And I do know that just average people just sell things on Amazon and stuff, and they can make the price whatever it is they want. But just keep in mind, like, you should not be spending more than $10 for a bottle. So I know in this day and age, a lot of people may see something getting talked about a little bit more or getting more popular and they want to hike up the price. But yeah, we're not going to do that, okay?
Okay, y'all, so the price is back to normal. I'll put the link in the description box of this one that's currently in stock. But if you can't find it anywhere online, maybe look in your local Walmart or Walgreens. I know they sell it near me.
But there are other alternatives. I know there was another question that I was getting a lot in my previous video was, is there any like more natural alternatives to Geritol? So here's a list of some more natural alternatives that you guys can try, that people suggested in my comment section of the last video. The next thing I want to talk about is the pregnancy claims. This is such a funny thing to me because I get this all the time whenever I bring up Geritol. It's people saying, be careful because you're going to get pregnant fast. Obviously, you guys, the people on TikTok are even funnier because they just think that you take the pill and you get pregnant. No, you actually have to have intercourse to get pregnant. But this basically came from like a bunch of women making like threads and forums and stuff saying how Geritol helped them conceived over the years, and this is the thing that's been going on for the past 50 years. And I think it's amazing. Like, they make no claims to this for this to actually be true and a fact, but if it is actually true, then I think that's like amazing, and that's so helpful for people who've been trying to conceive for years and years and years, and this is something that actually helped them. Then that's just great. Honestly, I think when you're lacking any type of nutrition and you're trying to conceive, it helps to, take vitamins and stuff like that because you want your body to be at its most healthiest when you're trying to conceive. So I can see that being true, but don't quote me on it, okay? I think that when you're at your healthiest and when you're actually taking care of yourself and taking your vitamins and drinking your water and eating your fruits and vegetables, then you'll see progress in your hair, your skin, and even your life. Like, when you're actually taking care of yourself, like, doors open up. And y'all know I'm really, really big on like manifestation and just speaking positivity over yourself and over your life. And that definitely can help. But before I go, I wanted to let you guys know that a lot of your favorite hair growth products on MiriamHampton.com are back in stock. We always have a sale whenever I post a new video. I always give you guys a coupon code. So we're going to have a coupon code, 25% off the entire site if you use the code YouTubeFam at checkout. And that code is available for the first 24 hours after I post this video. But yeah, that is about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton at MH Hair Care, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.